Today, we are doing a OnePay beginner's guide. We will guide you through the app and demonstrate various settings and configurations for proper use. Let's go ahead and load this up. As this loads, it will take us to the account home page. You can see at the bottom left, the Home tab is also highlighted. The first thing to note is there are several tabs at the bottom, and we will cover each one individually to understand their meanings and how to access specific features and functions. As you set up your account, you should have ordered your debit card, so it will be on its way. You can click on Details here to see when your card should arrive. You also get access to a virtual card. Later, I will show you where to click to add this card to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Near the top, you will see your cash balance. If you have not had any cash yet, there will be an option to add money as shown here. Once you have money, you can proceed to see the new option labeled Move Money. Moving money usually involves transferring between your debit and savings balances, as well as receiving direct deposits from paychecks. I will also show you everything about that. Before continuing, if you have not signed up for a OnePay account, here is some great news. You can get a $50 bonus for signing up on your OnePay account by using our special partner link in the show notes below or visiting this website /OnePay. A QR code will also appear on screen if you would like to screenshot it or scan it directly with your phone. That link helps support us so we can keep creating more free content like this for you. Depending on whether you signed up with a special link like the one in the show notes below, there may be sign-up bonuses like this one worth $50. There are certain limitations and requirements to meet. Make sure to complete those within the allotted time to receive the bonus. One last important item on the front page is your credit score. If you want to proceed with unlocking it, you may choose to do so. This way, you can understand how your credit is performing. Those will be the main elements on the front page. The first thing to do on this main page is go to the section labeled Add Money. Now in Add Money, the first thing it asks is how much to add and where you want it to go. So it will default to your debit card account. If you tap here, you can access your savings, which, depending on direct deposit status, will earn a high annual percentage yield on that account. Two things to remember. If you want a regular transfer in, you can transfer any amount, even as little as $1 if needed. For an almost instantaneous transfer, you must send at least $25. Next, I'll show you the following step by clicking Continue. When choosing options for instant transfers, available only with Apple Pay or Google Wallet, you can also opt to have a debit card on file for instant transfers. The great thing is, there are no fees for this instant transfer into your OnePay account. If you want to proceed with a regular transfer, you can select the bank on file. Technically, this account lacks the 25. If available, this option will appear, and the transfer will take 2 to 5 business days. If your bank account is not connected here, you can add it instantly. They use software called Plaid to instantly connect your bank, and it is safe to use. There are ways, and I will show you shortly, how to add additional bank accounts on file. From here, to add Apple Pay, simply toggle this option. Select the option at the bottom labeled Add Money with your Apple Pay. From here, it instantly selects our Apple Cash, which has no money in it. You can change your payment method by selecting whichever card you want to use. After selecting the correct card with available funds, double-click on the side to instantly add that money to your balance. Now, we returned here to the main page. We did not add any extra money beyond what was already available for our example today. But we want to show you what happens when you click on Move Money. From here, it always sets up an internal transfer. If you want to send, for example, the $5 in your account, you can do that. Then select your OnePay debit and click Continue. Then it will select the only other option available, which is the additional savings account you have. Then you can transfer that money between the internal accounts. To withdraw this money or send it to an external bank, click near the top where it says To Another Bank. Then enter the dollar amount and select the source account. If you have $5 in your savings or any other amount, you can transfer it directly to another bank. Click Continue at the bottom. From here, you can select the bank account you have on file. The transfer takes between 1 and 3 business days. If you want to do a debit card like the instant transfer, a higher dollar amount is required, which we do not currently have. If you had over $20, you could do the instant transfer here using a debit card. There will always be a fee, and it increases with the dollar amount. Naturally, the fee will also increase. I believe last I saw, it was about 35 cents for $20. So fairly affordable. But remember, there is still a cost for a quick transfer out. Alternatively, you can do it completely free with the bank on file. The useful part is that movement is located near the top for adding money and transferring between accounts. You can also go to your cash control here at the bottom with the arrows pointing up and down. This will take you to a new section with very similar options. whether you want to add the money or move it between your accounts. You can also deposit cash at Walmart or set up direct deposit. This section shows where to find your account number and routing number, which is always helpful. Good. From right here, you can see where it says Pay Autosave, allowing you to set and forget every payday, so money is automatically deposited into your savings account. It does offer options for global transfers. I have not tried that yet, so I do not know the different costs involved. Keep in mind, there will likely be extra costs for global transfers. They also offer a one-to-one option to transfer money to other users. But as of this recording, it will only include other users with a OnePay account. So there's no other way to send money to another user who doesn't have this account. What's good is it's quite easy. You have a QR code. You can scan theirs, have them scan yours, or find them using their username or phone number. If you need to withdraw cash from your account without transferring to another bank, near the bottom, there is an option to get cash at Walmart or find an automated teller machine. Keep in mind, fees will be involved. As mentioned earlier, if you want to add more bank accounts or debit cards, you can do this in your settings, near the bottom under linked accounts. Let's click this. Right here is where you will find your linked accounts. You can remove accounts if needed, then link additional accounts and debit cards as well. Keep in mind, debit cards allow instant transfers in and out, but transfers out will incur additional fees. A few bank account debit cards do not support instant transfers. If that happens, try using another debit card you have. Now back in the cash control settings, let's go one section over to where it says Wallet and tap on it. Now right over here will be your OnePay debit card, and here is something really cool. Opening your account with OnePay takes just a few minutes. You also receive your debit card almost instantly with the virtual version. You can add it to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet by clicking this section. Near the bottom, there is a swipe where you can go left or right to add to the wallet on your device. You can also view your card numbers in real time. Even if you just opened your account, this account does not yet have its debit card officially issued. You can also manage your card here near the bottom. Tapping here shows options for round-off features, freezing the card, changing the PIN, replacing it, or activating a card obtained in store. Now back in the main wallet section, if you shop at Walmart and want to use OnePay for its discounts and benefits in this section, just click on Scan to Pay. Then your camera opens and prompts you to scan the QR code to pay at any Walmart register. Simply enter it inside the box, and it will withdraw the money directly from your OnePay account. In the Wallet section, you can earn points with linked cards and learn more about the details. To add additional cards here, simply go to the top section and click the small plus sign. Clicking this gives the option to enter additional card information or scan cards to add them to your wallet and possibly earn extra bonuses. Alright, we are again in the Wallet section of the app. If we move all the way right to the Earth icon and the word Discover, this opens the Discovery tab, offering various topics to explore and learn about, like earning a high APY. If you have direct deposit, you could receive additional cash back, bonuses, or savings. You can view different rewards by clicking Show All. You need to activate some rewards like utilities or Burger King, or whatever is available at the time, as these rotate. And toward the bottom, you might see bonuses for setting up for yourself or referring friends or family members to sign up for an account. At the top right corner, regardless of the tab, you will see your initials displayed. Let's proceed and click on this. From here, you will access your profile information. You will be able to see your account information, including your name and linked accounts. And over here, you will also see your documents, if you also need statements or tax documents. Plus, they also offer support here where you can chat with them in real time. Now inside the account settings here, tap on this. Then in this section here as mentioned, they have personal information and linked accounts. You can also change your passcode and modify any notifications you receive from your OnePay account. If you need to sign out of your OnePay account, that option is available in your profile. You can see it says Sign Out Now here on the home page. You will see two more things not discussed yet, one being your points over here. These are the reward points earned from setting up your Discover page and using OnePay at Walmart. Another topic to discuss is here on the main page. If you scroll down slightly more, there is a section labeled Discover More. You can see the OnePay Cash Plus and the Credit Builder, which helps you build credit. It will cover stipulations on requirements like needing direct deposit with over $500 or $5,000 in your account. There are some limitations. If necessary, you can do that directly within the app. As mentioned earlier, if you have not signed up for a OnePay account, we have got you covered. You can get a $50 bonus by using our special partner link in the show notes below or visiting this website /OnePay. We also display the QR code on screen for you to screenshot or scan with your phone directly. That link helps support us in continuing to create more free content like this for you. Now, regarding free content, we have more to show you about using your OnePay account. Check out the next video on screen to continue learning.